Very good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the studies, aren't you? Okay. Students, today I am going to discuss about the models, right? These are uh, chapter number 7. Okay, children? Models. I am sure you have already read what are the models, but we will again read today. First of all, we have to understand, let us understand what are models. Models are verbs used to express the mood or the attitude of the speaker. They are also known as modal auxiliaries. But your models are used to express the mood or the attitude of the speaker. Next, models are used to convey the ideas of possibility, advice, permission, ability, suggestion, probability, probability, necessity, obligation, offer, prohibition, etc. Okay, I am telling you these words meaning. Possibility, sambhavna. Advice, salaha. Permission, anumati. Ability, yogyata. Suggestion, salaha. Probability, sambhavna. Necessity, आवश्यकता. Obligation, एक कर्तव्य. Offer, किसी को कुछ प्रदान करना. Prohibition means मना है. The most commonly used models are can, right? You can dance, you can sing, can, could. You could dance, you could sing, may, you may come in the class, might. It might be rain today, sambhavna. Will, you will do your work every day. Would, I would be happy to teach you. Shall, we shall be, we shall overcome all the difficulties, all the obstacles of COVID 19. Should, we should always obey our elders. Must, you must get up in the morning. Ought to, you ought to obey the others. Dare, you should not dare to go in the night. Need, I need, you don't need go outside in the night. Okay, next about models. Models are followed by a main verb. बच्चों ध्यान दीजिए, मॉडल्स के बाद में हमेशा फर्स्ट फॉर्म आती है वर्ब की, एक्सेप्ट फॉर अ क्वेश्चन टैग. ठीक है, मॉडल्स आर फॉलोड बाय अ मेन वर्ब. वी शुड प्रोटेक्ट आवर वाइल्ड लाइफ. तो मॉडल क्या है बच्चों? शुड. एंड मेन वर्ब प्रोटेक्ट. We ought to protect our national monuments. Ought to. Ought to में ought to होता है, तो ought to protect, only protect. Right? यहाँ पे to लगा है, ये इसके लिए है, but main verb तो protect है. The main verb used after a model must be in the base form, यानी कि first form. I will meet you, meet. It may rain, rain. Base form meet and rain. Yes, children. Seeking and giving permission. When you want to seek permission, when you want to give permission, use may. You generally say, may I come in, ma'am? May I take your pencil? Or can? Can I use your pen? Could. Could you please tell me this address? This means you want to take some permission or you are giving some permission. So, may I help you? Can I use your cell phone? Could you lend me your pencil box? These words are used for giving or and seeking permission. Now giving permission. You can meet me in my office. Permission. Could you kindly shift a little? Permission. May I sit here? Of course you may. Note, can and may are used as informal. But could is polite when you say something politely. Yes? जब आप कुछ विनम्रता से कहते हैं, बहुत ही रेस्पेक्टफुली कहते हैं, तो you can use could. Could you kindly shift a little? Could has been used here. Now this exercise you will do yourself with pencil in your book. Okay? I will not tell these answers. We are moving on the next page. तो ये तो था परमिशन एंड नाउ पॉसिबिलिटी, संभावना, कुड, मे एंड माइट. देखिए बच्चों, कुड एंड मे वॉज यूज्ड एज taking or giving permission, and here it again used for possibility, संभावना के लिए. Present and future possibility, who is coming with us? तो रीना में आ सकती संभावना. Are you free tomorrow? Don't know. I might. संभावना हो सकती, नहीं भी हो सकती. May suggest good possibility. May suggest good possibility. Might suggest weak possibility. जब possibility 100% है तो may. जब possibility में थोड़ी कमी है तो might. Could suggest extremely weak. बिल्कुल ना के बराबर possibility है तो could. Okay? We may use may, might, could with have plus participle. देखिएगा. I can't find my pencil. You may might have left them on the study table. May और might. Have left. देखिए बच्चों, have left. ये have plus participle form. Participle is the third form of the verb. तो may और might के साथ में जब past possibility होती है, past possibility, past tense की तो हम लोग have और third form participle form भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Today I didn't, past tense, तो might have come to school. देखिए, might have and come came, third form is come, right? So past के लिए हम लोग have plus third participle form का भी यूज करते हैं. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, we may use may, could, not might with have to participle form to suggest a possibility in the past, but luckily did not happen. देखिए, why did you jump from the tree? You could have broken your leg. देखिए, could have broken. Luckily आपने जंप तो लगाया लेकिन luckily है ना, तो possibility past की है ये. You could have broken, आपकी could have broken your leg. आप अपने leg को broke कर सकते थे. You are fortunate. You could have been seriously badly hurt. आप fortunate हैं, आप seriously hurt हो सकते थे. Right? So this exercise you will do with in book with pencil up to here. Okay children? Okay, it is for your today's work. And I think you will not write in your copy anything. Read only these all. बिल्कुल read करना है इनको, आप only read. Okay children? Bye. Take care.